Welcome back to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. This is part 2 of the Flo Motorsports parts package, and we're going to install today the V3 passenger pegs and the V5 Flo Motorsports floorboards. So super stoked to get these installed, so roll that intro and let's get into it. Alright, we're going to start on the back passenger pegs first. So these are the old ones, and these are the new ones. So side by side, big difference in size, big difference in weight. So these are the ones that are going to go on my bike, made by Flo Motorsports. And these ones are great passenger floorboards, so these are going to go on Batsy's Street 750. We'll do a video on that later on. So these are the new ones, old ones. Alright, we've already done a long-winded video on how to install these. So these ones I'm just going to show you. So I'm just going to take this off and just slide the new ones in. Then see how this is. We got the bolt right there. This can change how it sits, like that. So I'm gonna want it to be flat as possible. And so I'm gonna go ahead and throw those on real quick, and then I'll show you the outcome. Alright, the rear ones are installed. Oh, they look pretty good on the bike. I couldn't be happier with those. Oh, now to do the floorboards. Alright, now we're doing the rider floorboards. So these are the ones I had installed previously, and these are the ones I'm about to install. So this one, what I like about this is it's shorter. I don't like how wide it is. So if you compare the two, so this is about as long if not maybe just a tad longer than the stock. And then we got these. So the reason why these things have failed, so we got these attachments right here. This one stripped out completely, so you can see. So all the way in, all the threads are ripped out. And I was turning, this was on my right floorboard, and I was turning left, and it came off. So very sketchy situation. So I'm not going to use these again. So I'm going to move on to the Flo Motorsports ones. So I'm really excited about these. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. I've already did a video step by step on how to swap them out. So currently I have the OEM floorboards installed. So I got it right back here. Got to take that out, and then this one out right here. So just those two. It comes off, and then I'll install them in the reverse order. Alright, I got the floorboards moved. So I'm just going to do a quick comparison of the stock ones. So there's the stock ones, and there's the new ones. So these are about an inch longer, a little bit skinnier. So I have high hopes on these. Alright, both floorboards are installed. We got the rear. I've already stood on them, sat with them. These are superior in every way from the previous set I had. I'm super stoked. I will do a review on these after a couple hundred miles. Just installed the floorboards on the Road King. I absolutely love the outcome. I've been riding them now for a little over a week, and I couldn't be happier with them. I've been riding pretty hard with them. They are extremely durable and strong, and I haven't scraped them yet. And if you like this content, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. I would really appreciate it. It helps us grow the channel. So remember, the next video, we're installing the touring levers for my Road King. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.